May not be the news you want to hear, but COVID cases are on the rise in our area yet again. Westchester County executive is now urging you to put the mask back on.
Yeah, and as you can imagine, a lot of people are talking about this story this morning. Let's get right to News 12's Lisa LaRocca joining us live from outside the county office building in White Plains with everything you need to know. Lisa.
Yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Unfortunately, according to the CDC's number in just the last week, New York saw a 24% increase in its COVID numbers, and that includes the Hudson Valley. Now, state health officials are saying that the uptick has been caused in part by the spread of a highly contagious Omicron subvariant that first emerged in central New York and the Finger Lakes region, and currently has deemed 45 out of 62 New York counties at high risk, and this includes every county in our region aside from Rockland. Now, the good news is number of hospitalizations due to COVID have been down, but those numbers could begin to climb with more infections. So as a result, Westchester County Executive George Latimer is urging everyone to be aware of this and be extra careful by masking up in indoor public places.
First of all, there's no question that we are now in another surge of COVID. It tells us that it's not just the frequency of the disease, but some degree of the severity.
Now, it's important to note that the county executive has not issued any mandates. This is a suggestion. He and the state health officials, as well as federal health officials, all saying, look, if you're going to be out, you're going to go into indoor places, may not be a bad idea to mask up. I just heard on the radio coming in this morning that there are other mayors over in Stamford. They're suggesting it, same thing. Again, not mandated, just suggesting at this point. We're in White Plains. Let's go back to the studio.
So what do you think? Are you up for wearing a mask indoors once again if the case count continues to climb? Did you ever stop wearing one to begin with? If so, we want to know. Grab your phone, scan the QR code we'll post on your screen periodically. Let us know. It takes you over to our News 12 poll where you can weigh in.